Angazuthi ngithini jiwe khona.
Inqobo nje mawuvumile ukuthi namhlanje uthi Shelley ngamse lapha kwanqene sothola isidlo sasebusuku.
Batho kaofela bayihlokomela. Bahlokomelele malapha abone. That doesn't mean you have to go and stab him in the back.
Akufanele futhi ulinde kube uyena okwaza wena qala.
My life is here now. Lulu is here.
Then bring her with you. I'm begging you, you almost died.
The top 2 cities in the world with the highest crime rates are in South Africa.
It's too early for this.
Kidnappings have gone up 260% in the last 10 years. And you're a part of that statistic now.
Oh, London is not paradise, Kat. I live there, remember?
Exactly. And people miss you. Dashing Pete, Tipsy, Waza. They're always asking about you.
I forgot how stupid the names are.
London's empty without you. Don't you miss it?
Sometimes.
Then come with me.
Oh, I need some time, all right? To think.
Fine. Just don't wait too long, or you could become one of the 1.2 million people that get robbed every year in this country.
Morning.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh. Which Lerato is Sohane Babanyane? Nothing. And that usually meant you hiding something.
Ma.
Yeah.
Isikhatsini.
Hayi cha kusase early kakhulu.
Wena uyakhe mphethe ngilele.
Ayish, asikhona nje ukuthi ngifuna ukuceda lento yasibaby.
Yinde.
Look.
Train tour through Europe.
Yabo le tour leyo unamhla uke wangitshela ngayo isikhathi ngimvakashile shima umntanami yazi. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngaba yinto engayithuna naye.
Skydiving.
Ya, leyo bathi ngathi uyandiza siyona yabona.
Hayi kahle sithandwa. Angizwa kule yanto. Ube unje itshopu. Yeah. Wow. Play piano, cruise ship, river. Kahle lento.
Yazi isikhathi ngijanga neGrootman lakho lapha na kwedina. Hayi cha ngimsivile yena beringa amavari kakhulukazi isikhathi ethi impilo imfishane. Cancer of new cancer ni. So lento ezingisibhaya lapho izinto nje ezibhaya ekade ngifuna ukuzenza kodwa zange.
Hayi kabe yabona kodwa engiyithanda kakhulu ile ye-toy Europe. Abanga sihambe sesisolve uX idolobha ledolobha ngale ngaphesheya qale nje itembu.
Hayibo Nkosi yami. Ubani othenga ibemile?
Awumuntuza. Ngizosela kanjani ngaphandle la ukhona ngina. Hey wema. Kahle. Ngempela zoyenza lento.
Angazi yes. Kodwa nje sesama ideas. Like izinto nje ezi meaningful, ezi important.
Yazini. Ngiyazi uzoyenza lento. Ngiyeza ukuthi wena uzoyenza noma kuthiwa wenzekani, kodwa uzowenza lokho.
Salt and pepper.
Mama.
you guys are still here. What's with the long faces? Do you have a plan yet?
You know, this is the second time I've lost my company because of blackmail. You can think about
So you're going to do it? You're going to give that mobster your company?
We have no choice, Kat. He's a mobster with damning evidence.
It's the only way to keep your mother safe.
And save your own skin.
It's my fault.
So yenza lonto.
It is. I'm the one who confessed, and now it's wrecking my whole family.
Usindise ubomi bami Kamo. Ngeke ungidubilile uma lo mdidiro.
Ke itse. Ke gore fela ke le ka go tlhaloganya gore Jack Mabaso o ikreile yang recording ela. Ditiro swallowed the card. I saw him.
Nam.
Then how?
Ayinamsebenzi nyani. You know, uyifumene. It sucks kodwa uyifumene. So stop blaming yourself.
Kat is going back to England. She asked me to come with.
Indoni?
Perhaps she's right. Maybe it's better to get away from all this craziness.
Uyahamba?
Come with me.
England.
Have you heard of Paddington?
Indoni?
Paddington.
Oh, the bear? Are you cartoon leyo?
It's a place in London. A beautiful area. I have a townhouse there. You'll love it.
A townhouse overseas. Ngeyakho and not a family one.
Wow. It's family money, but it's mine. Imoli bitsong laka.
So mna mandihambe eLondon ndishiye yonke into apha. It's crazy.
So what? Maybe that's the right kind of crazy. Can't you see it? You, me, walking in Hyde Park.
Ikhona Hyde Park up eJoburg.
We can go to the Scottish Downs. It's gorgeous. Now get married in the mountains.
So ufuna utshata kwakhona.
I'll come up with a proper proposal this time. A better one. But we can do it. We can have a life there, Lulu. I love you. I do not see myself anywhere else without you. Just come with me. Please. Don't think about it. Just say yes. Come with me.
Lulam,
Uxolo Mr. Mkhale, sorry.
Ko gore ga o ja sepe se ne ke bua ka sone.
Wendy, bendicinga nge-Paddington.
Excuse me?
England. eLondon. Okama uthi ndihambe naye.
Oh.
Ndiyayazi uba uzawuthini. Uzawuthi it's stupid and it's bancinci and my career is just taking off. And it's reckless and I'm giving all that up for a promise and
Wa itse gore ne ke sa realo ke re. Me fela o itse sengwe le sengwe ka kganyena. Just be careful.
of what?
O la tlhega mo botshelong ba motho mongwe. O tlile go tlogela sengwe le sengwe ko morago. Ditsala tsa gago. Losika la gago, tiro ya gago. And o tla bo sa direle wena dijo tse o tla bo direla kamogelo. Mogamo you'll be living kamogelo's life. Seo se kitse sa diragala ka nna ka batho ba ga Moroka. A long time ago. Ke ne ke akantse gore dilo tla diragala ka tsene ne ke batla gore di diragale ka yone me fela ga go ka go nna yalo. But just be careful. Loku?
No.
Dana. Danke, Mama. Loku, hayde.
No?
Hawu, kanti hayi lokhu noma kanjani ke?
Next. Kamara ngidla itamati leyo lapha esitsheni sakho.
Eh, bakithi. Inganze insuku zokugcina. Hayi ngeke, hayi.
Sebe ngigcile. Hey, Mr. Kreile. Thatha kahle lapha ekhanda wena. Awukwazi ungena endlini yabantu yazi ngathi uyihlanya libaleka eSterfontein.
It's hard, Mom Lucy. Mara ke grey.
Grey in Ntando.
Ata ha o neng o utswitse.
Kuphi?
Ba nkile le rubbish e nngwe ka truck ba ilo lahla mo lahlelang matlakala teng.
Enzibini.
Ya la ipilonga khona.
Awu musikuma magama abekanini.
Excuse.
Yazi Mamlusi ne? Into kaneza bezi representer iholo la umzikata ngivalele khona. Maybe she's right. Actually, Ntando, ngiba ukuthi ungise la zilahlele khona on the dump. Ngifuna ukuthi sifike sithathe inthombe like a metaphor. Yes.
Okay, I get able to ring mara. If nka di photo nka o poses.
Hayi Ntando, ezaleni.
Yeah, serious. No, ka anything e shabahala e lentswemu wena.
Okay. Let's come. Yes.
Sure.
Hayi ngiyahle. Yazi ayikho into entringa njenge-artist elafini. Ziyantringa lento lezi.
I know what they say. England is miserable. It's cold and it's raining. But you can buy yourself one of those fancy thermal pajama things. Everyone has indoor heating. You don't even notice. See, all I'm saying is, you can have a great life there. Think about it. You won't even have to work.
Asoze.
Yeah, I mean, who cares, right? We'll have everything that we need. We already have a great place, fully furnished. I have a car there too, you know, even though no one drives it. You can be at work.
Ntoni?
That's what they call all the wives and girlfriends of famous footballers. They don't work. They just follow their husbands all around the world watching football. Sounds awesome, right?
Right. Sounds like a dream.
Abosolahla uyazi bacatha ngingivatoyi kuhle kuhle. Bacatha ihlokwane la ibereki. Qala ukuthi intombezi ukuthi bazichuda idoti njani. Ucabangani?
Ah, zinhle.
Really?
Yeah, i-art mfethu kwi-rubbish dump. Nanokuthi nje uvelwe ishaya class kakhulu, yabona?
Oh, ngiyathokoza.
Manje ithini into vele? Usuthanda photography?
No, maybe. Bekuyi experiment nje kwaphela. Sam ngifuna ukugwala. I want to sculpt. Yabo, nethi ukuthi indawo yokuyenza into leyo anginayo. Angikwazi ukuthi ngikhambe ngiyoyenzela intradini. Abosolahla bangalahla izinto zami each and every week.
Eish, shuthi nje indawo yakho ne?
Yeah, i-studio kungesami.
Lapho kunabantu abahlulwa nje inyanga eyodwa nje,
Exactly, ndoda. Exactly. Eish.
Hey. Ah, waze waduma ke bo.
Ha? Art gallery ithanda intombi zami.
Ngempela?
Jama, bang-DM. Sam, bafuna ukuhlangana nami.
Ubani? Igallery?
Bafuna ukuqala iportfolio yami.
Hayi bona masebe mfethu. Indaba izimnandi lezi cha siyabonga mfethu. Ah,
Jama, no. Anginawo ama-portfolio. Sam, angina portfolio. Ayikho into engingabakhombisa yona. Umzi ulahle yonke i-art yami. Nama-cages, imbala. Akudampi nawo. Sam, ngibona ngiyenzeni man. I'm so sorry, Kumo. Nixatsibu Jack would pull this
Stunt?
Nixatsibi at all.
An apology is nice, Fikile, but I don't see you doing anything to stop it.
But Kumo hamunaka nkaqeto. Kimwema gang.
Are you a chess player, Ramabas? Ah, you should be. You'd be a hell of a player. Do you want to get a contract?
Bengifuna ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uyasayinda.
Right.
Yazi yonke lento uyithatha kangcono kunalokho bengilindele.
Kwamoroka, Jack. Do you know what that means?
What?
With all due respect, Fikile, your tiny little company is not quite on the top of my priority list right now. It had kept me busy, but it wasn't making real money. My family can buy any Mabaso ever born without blinking an eye. So if you think you want anything, but it did cost me one thing though. Yinle, I really thought you were my friend.
Okay. All right.
Come on. Oh, sure.
Mangel, Sam. Sam. Poor babe. He doesn't even know what he's stepping into. I'm just sorry we don't have popcorn.
This is fun, yes?
I almost forgot why you felt like, huh?
Great. No, I'm not a third wheel anymore. I'm a fifth wheel.
Shampoo very poor.
Actually, I think you should go save our guy. Looks like he stopped breathing.
Oh, actually, now that I think about it, I think it's so cool. And what's your acting competition?
Yes, girl.
Yeah. Hey.
You know, in London, it could be like this all the time.
Come on.
All right, sorry. Didn't mean to put pressure on you. But it really could be.
We didn't really get a chance to talk tonight. Not really talk.
Well, you had to feel Sam all over you.
Such is my curse. So, have you made up your mind?
Oh, kodwa Kat, andizukwazi yazi. Ubomi bami bulapha, umsebenzi wami ulapha, ifamily yami.
People change jobs. Family ikaeta. Lifati lilinyani than it used to be. And I get to have my brother and my new sister right down the road.
Ewe, kodwa.
Wait, look. There's only one real question. Uratakamo.
Yes, of course I do.
And you want to be with him, right?
Ewe.
Then that's all you need to know.
It's a pity, you know, the ratonyana le buang ka lone le. Then so ra choose le bolo bolo.
Hayi usiyona ma. Asibone mfojini lena ke manje.
Yokusiza ngodokotela nezinye izinto.
Askis?
Sizokukhumbula lesi.
Ngizongikhumbula. Hayi man, futhi wena man. Damn it. Hawu. Yini kanti ngawe? Manje ngifuna usisizo lwenu mina. Ha.
Ne. Akusoka ke bona the Queen of Gomorrah alahlanyuku.
Ne man, mfowethu yasidilele dag ngidilana nabantu laba. From ekuseni tot noba lokho babhizi lapha babazi bengitshela ngabo goodbye. Ngefuneral yami. Hey ngabo auntie or mama bayizango babakwazi ukulapha icancer nkosi yami. Abangiyekeleni man.
Yebo. Ngolo menzani umuntu wami usumthu phambanisa ikhanda nje. Asenake imkwatisa isithing no. Awuthiyela customer yini yami.
Yazini baby, angifuna uhlanga ngayo.
Lo muzwa umkhalo ukuthi akafuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Manje ukuthi kwenziwe njani? Wathi na ku kwemnyethi kinana ubayisa the lounge.
Hey boy, na man ma-1000 man. Lento lena man uyayincanya feel pap mos.
No, khona no ke busy kanti sebhaya kwezweni. And gape ka mona khona le deal tse dintse go.
Hey, futsa kwana man. Kathi awuzwanga na yini oyingayizwanga between ufu no Tsek? Rubbish.
That's it. Jack Lifikile on all of Triple M now.
Do you care? I mean, really? Isn't it better not to have people like that in your life?
Maybe.
That's why I'm going home. To London.
What? No, but you've just arrived, Kat.
I have to, Mum.
It'll be quiet around here.
And Kamo's coming with me.
How can you need to come?
Well, I'm not sure yet. It's up to Lulu.
Batung, I can't lose both my kids at the same time. Jeez, you know, sometimes this family it feels like it's falling apart.
Well, Mum, maybe you should have thought about that before you murdered our father.
Eji, ucabanga ukuthi uMatawu serious ngalento yakhe ukuthi ufuna ukubhayisela lounge yakhe?
Hayi indoda mayisithi sicabanga ngento kusho ukuthi suku sinongqo ukuthi uzoyenza le nto emqondweni wami.
Ne. What if uthengwa yimi?
Wena ngempela.
Yana. Nami into wrong ngalokho. Ngisho phela ngingakutshela ngathi sengifuna manje abona ukuthi ngiqale ngenze izinto eziproper. Ngithi ukuzama ukukhulisa ibhesarhete yami. Ngijike lento lena abona ngiyenze ibrand eproper. Yeah, ngithi already sengine Lucy's Spin. So lena ye lounge ngingathi Lucy's Lounge. Isonda grand ne?
Ngempela ngizoya umqondo omhlelwana.
Bese siyalapha kumakha mama. Naye ngijike yabona ebe Lucy's Coffee Shop.
Hayibo. Uyabona so we brand impela eqoshemekelele.
Yeah, exactly baby. Yazi ebe yinto nje Lucy's everywhere nje. Hayi man. Yabona no say sound yazi ngathi ifuture ebright le. Abhlungu kabi.
Akithi yabona mase ukhuluma ngelo future kaLucy or Lucy's future. Ngilapho na mama ngilapho.
Andizukwazi kamo. Akaphilanga umama ndiphangela apha, ndinecareer. Kutheni wena ungazohlala?
Because my family is cursed. Lulu. They are poison. Look at how they treated you. And I feel like as long as I stay here, my father's ghost will always haunt me. I have to go, Lulu. I can't deal with that anymore.
I know. Kodwa andizukwazi.
So what? This is it. It's over.
Goodbye, Cam.